An array is a collection of values of the same data type. You can create arrays that can store more than one value. Array elements are accessed by using a single name and an index number representing the position of the element within the array. Array is a reference type data type. The figure shows the array structure in the system's memory. Remember that an array index starts with 0. An array needs to be declared and initialized before it can be used in a program. The following code snippet is an example of array initialization. So you can see the physical storage can be indexed to hold 10 values starting index from 0 to 9. Let's initialize the array first. You can assign values to each element of the array by using the index number, which is also called the array subscript of the element. Let us input 3 values to the array. These 3 statements assign the respective values to the indices 0, 1, and 5. To iterate through the array, you can use any looping construct, but the for each statement interprets the common looping process by removing the need to check the array size. The code is as follows. I is a temporary variable that takes in the values of the array one by one. Let's compile and execute the program. Press F6 and F5. Note that the rest of the values are 0. This is because when you declare the array, it automatically initializes to 0. You can assign values to an array at the time of initialization as well. In this case, you need not specify the size of the array. So let's replace the first line with another way of initialization and delete the next 3 lines. Now compile and run. You can see only the 3 values are printed. That is because the array size is now 3. Other ways of initializing an array, you can mention the size. Let's build the program. You can see there are no errors produced. The compiler implicitly initializes each array element to a default value depending on the array type. It can be a character, string, or double as well. Here, the array is of data type integer, and hence the default value is 0. The array class is the base class for all the arrays in C#. It is under the namespace system. There are various properties and methods defined to work with arrays.